What you guys, got another product review here. This is another dash cam. This is the MIVUE C330. Now this dash cam is a pretty decent dash cam for the money. It's around about £79 at the moment. It's made by Mio, and it also has 1080p at 30 frames per second, GPS, and a bunch of other features here, which is safety camera warnings, free safety camera data with monthly updates for the lifetime of your device. That does have a speed control on there where you can see the speed you're going on the actual dash cam itself, and you've got a bunch of other things on there as well, which we'll go through in the video. You've got your quick set guide here to get you set up. It's pretty straightforward and easy to do, like most dash cams. You also have a warranty card here for your dash cam in many different languages. And of course the cable itself is to power the actual dash cam itself, and it's got plenty of length to the cable, nice and thick there. No USB charging port on there, but it does go into your cigarette lighter and into the camera. This suction cup mounted mounting system, I do like these rather than the sticky 3M pads. This is much better. Very simple mechanism here. It does have a movable head there so you can move it about, but this is to suck it onto the window so it doesn't move basically. So I do like that method of mounting. And this is the little dash cam here, nice and small. So as you can see, that has a 2-inch LCD display there. Here is your mounting system, which works pretty well. This just slots into place. Now you just have to slide that in, and then you've got that suction cup which will suck onto the window and hold it into position. It does have a little mounting ball on there as well, which will help you put it into the right position. Now this is a 1920 by 1080 30 frames per second with a 2 megapixel camera sensor on there as well, with a 130 degree field of view wide angle lens. Now this is not a touch screen. This has its navigation buttons and power buttons on the side, which can be a bit fiddly, but it does work okay once you get used to it. And again, we do have that micro SD card slot on here, which takes up to 128 gigabytes SD card, and also we've got our charging port there. This does have a maximum of up to 22 hours of continuous recording with that 128 gigabyte micro SD card. There is your lens there, and also which we do have our speaker and sensors on the front there, which is quite nice. Now this does have some pretty cool features that other dash cams don't have, like the safety camera warnings, which is a free safety camera warning system on your dash cam, which will literally detect any sort of speed cameras. You got the free axis G sensor on there as well, and we also have a built-in GPS tracker, which is an added premium sort of feature for this dash cam. This is the actual display here and the menu system. Now I did say that it isn't a touch screen, and as you can see me navigating on the side there, you may need to dismount this off the window screen to use the actual menu system, because the buttons are quite small, and you may find it a bit fiddly to navigate. Now it will auto record like a lot of dash cams, so as soon as you turn the car on, it will start to record. You can format your card once you've got it into the device itself, and again you can set it all up to exactly how you want. It will detect all the speed and date, time, and also the location where you are, which is very useful for pinpointing exactly where you are. So if you do have an incident, God forbid, that you will have an actual point of GPS point where you can say that's exactly where I was, and that means that's good evidence. You can record the sound, and you've got the safety camera feature there as well, which I will turn all these on so you'll be able to see them. And also again, 1080p at 30 frames per second is plenty for a little dash cam. And again, this is a really small type dash cam, so it doesn't take up a large chunk of your window screen. And once you get that cable routed around the screen there, it should look quite tidy, and you can probably get this hidden behind the back of your mirror or something like that. Now this little dash cam is packed with premium features like WDR and also G sensor technology. The speed camera I thought was very useful, because obviously it means you don't have to have a speed camera like on your GPS system. It's got it all built into this little dash cam, which means it doesn't take up much real estate on your window screen. And as again, this is so small and discreet that you can put it somewhere where you can get that nice 130-degree wide angle view of the road, and you should be able to record some really good quality day and night. So I found this to be very good at day and night sort of recording. So let's take it out onto the road so we can take a look at what the quality of the camera looks like. Now personally I was quite impressed with the quality of the video, and sadly the weather wasn't that great. We was just getting over some snow, and it was a little bit overcast as well, and more like a twilight sort of time here. But you can see here we've got the date stamp and the time and the speed of the car. I have blurred out the GPS part, which tells you exactly whereabouts you are on the road for security reasons. But as you can see here, a really nice looking camera. Again, the display on the screen is pretty decent. It gets you all the information that you would need if you was into an accident or something like that. It would record that. Now you can barely make out some number plates there, but from a distance you can't really see their number plates. But there's not a lot of dash cams on the market at this price point that would display your number plate from a very far distance. But as you can see here, the quality is pretty good. Now this is very low lighting now. The sun is just gone down and it's very cloudy, but it deals with this sort of low light very well. And I just wanted to show you how good it is. But also you can see it's quite a wet day, so you're not getting the true reflection of how good this is in really bright light. So it can handle the low light situations, but in good light, if you go on YouTube you'll see plenty of videos where you're getting really good quality high definition video, which is ideal for dash cams as well. So you're getting just about everything you need here in one dash cam. You're getting GPS capabilities, safety camera warnings, and also 3-axis G sensor as well, which is really awesome. So I'll just play you some more content here, and we'll be able to take a look a little bit more in the night time so you can see what it looks like in the dark. Now that jerkiness is just me cutting the video, putting them together, so not to bore you. But basically you can see the sun is going down, just cleaning the window screen here to get it as clear as possible for you. But I think you agree, it's a pretty decent looking picture. Now as you see here, the quality of the night view camera is pretty good, and there is a massive smear on the screen, and that's due to the snow and stuff like that and the cold. But even in this sort of weather conditions you can still get a pretty clear picture of the number plate and the car. You can tell what car it is, and that's essential for road safety and also evidence. And you can see the gritters out in front, which means there's ice and snow on the road. So what we're going to do here is go into the motorway sections with some lighting so you can see. Now if you don't own a dash cam, you should really consider buying one. I'll leave all the information in the video description, and the reason why is because we live in the world of the blame game. As soon as you get in a car, someone will collide into you and they will blame you for it, whereas the dash cam will give good evidence to who's at fault there, and obviously will help you to get your money back and also get your vehicle repaired or replaced. So it's essential in the modern day today. And sadly the world has turned into this sort of blaming other drivers for driving into them when it was actually them that was driving erratically. But anyway, that's the end of the review. If you want a premium camera with all the premium features, I'll leave the information in the video description. My name has been Brian from briteccomputers.co.uk. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, then leave it a thumbs up, and I shall see you again real soon. Bye for now. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the big red subscribe button on my YouTube channel and hit the bell notification button next to that to be notified when we upload new videos.